The plan is we want to put an electrical outlet into this wall here. And I've already got a source of power. It's right here. And it'll go directly below it. And usually these things always have a stud right around here. We're going to open up this up and see what's on the inside here, but it should be a very easy installation. Now let's look inside the electrical box here, and we can see the important aspects here. We got all of our neutrals all tied together. We got all of our hots, all the blacks, all tied together. So that's our source of power that we're going to need for our plug. And then you can kind of see all the bare copper wires twisted together there. And the plan is, so I'm going to take a drill, half-inch drill, drill a hole in the bottom, and then we'll cut a hole down here and mount the old work box and hook everything up, and it's going to be great. Here's some old work electrical boxes. You can see how it has like a screw and a tab, and when you tighten up the screw, the tab comes up and it secures it to the back of the drywall. And you normally find these at Home Depot, and these work out pretty nicely. I found this new thing on Amazon. It's only $1.99. This is a Madison Electric Products MSB 1G, I guess for one gang. And you can see how it has two heavy-duty screws that come out the side and screw into a stud, assuming you have wood studs. This is supposed to be rated for 42 pounds and looks actually a lot stronger than the other style. And it's half the price. Okay, I've found the stud. So fortunately I hit the stud with this right there, but here's this hole is right at the edge of the stud. So I took the box, made an outline. Now I'm going to take the oscillating multi-tool and cut out a hole. Okay, that was very easy. I got the hole, and the box will mount right in the hole, and we can see the studs right there. So it's looking really good. Okay, I ran the wire down through the wall, came out the other side, put it through the knockout on the top there for the strain relief inside the box, and now I'm just going to screw the box down to the stud. Okay, now we hook up the outlet to the wires here. You can see the silver head screw gets the white neutral wire, and then the brass colored screw gets the black hot wire, and then we hook up the green colored screw to the ground wire, and we're just ready to fold up these wires and screw this thing into the wall. Okay, I turned off the power at the fuse box, hooked up all the wires, pushed them all back, and now we're ready to screw everything back together. Well, I had to put a bunch of spackle around the hole. I actually made the hole way too big, so I'm spackling in there. So anyway, when you're doing this at home, make sure you make a really tight hole and maybe 1/8 of an inch inside the lines. Well, here's the finished product, all spackled and painted and all finished, and looks like it was always with the house.